Wrist pain from typing is a common problem, usually caused by repeating the same motions, bad posture, or typing the wrong way. If you spend a lot of time on your computer, you might feel pain or discomfort in your wrists. But don't worry, there are simple steps you can take to reduce and prevent this pain. In this video, we'll show you easy ways to protect your wrists, improve your posture, and make typing more comfortable. Whether you're working or just using a keyboard for fun, these tips can really help. Let's get started. Improving your typing setup is one of the best ways to stop wrist pain. Start by adjusting your chair and desk so that your elbows form a 90-degree angle when your hands are on the keyboard. This helps reduce strain on your wrists and arms. It's also important to keep your wrists straight, not bent up or down while typing. Don't rest your wrists on the desk or keyboard while typing. Instead, use a wrist rest during breaks to support your wrists without adding pressure. Place your keyboard directly in front of you at a height where your wrists stay relaxed. These simple changes can really help lower the risk of wrist pain and make typing more comfortable. Taking regular breaks is really important to avoid wrist pain, especially if you're typing for a long time. One easy method to follow is the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break to stretch your wrists, hands, and fingers. This short break helps relax your muscles and reduce tension. During your break, gently stretch your wrists and hands to keep them flexible and release any built-up strain. If you forget to take breaks, using tools like Pomodoro timers can help. These timers split your work into 25-minute intervals, followed by a short break, helping you remember to step away from the keyboard. Following this routine can reduce the risk of strain injuries and keep your wrists feeling good all day. Enjoying this video? Hit subscribe to stay updated with essential health tips and the latest updates on our channel. Stretching and strengthening your wrists is important for keeping them flexible and preventing pain from typing. Start with wrist stretches. Extend one arm in front of you with your palm facing up and gently pull your fingers back with your other hand until you feel a stretch in your wrist and forearm. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, then repeat on the other side. For strengthening exercises, use a stress ball or hand gripper. Squeeze it slowly, hold for a few seconds, then release. This helps build strength in your hands and wrists, making them more resistant to strain. Adding these stretches and exercises to your daily routine will help keep your wrists strong, flexible, and less likely to get hurt. Using proper typing technique is important to avoid wrist strain and discomfort. One key habit is to type lightly. Don't pound on the keys, just use a gentle touch. This reduces the force your fingers and wrists need to apply. It's also important to keep your hands elevated. Instead of resting your hands on the desk or keyboard, keep them slightly above the keys. This helps keep your wrists in a neutral position and lowers the risk of strain. Finally, use all your fingers when typing. This spreads the work across your fingers, reducing pressure on specific areas of your hands and wrists. By following these simple tips, you can keep your wrists healthy, especially during long typing sessions. Modifying your workspace can help prevent wrist pain and make typing more comfortable. Start by using a wrist rest, but only when you're on a break, not while typing. Resting your wrists while typing can add pressure and strain, so it's better to use it only when you're not typing. Elevate your screen so that your monitor is at eye level. This helps you avoid slouching and keeps your posture aligned. Bad posture can lead to neck, shoulder, and wrist strain, so this simple change can make a big difference. You might also want to try a vertical mouse. It reduces wrist twisting compared to a regular mouse, helping keep your wrist in a more natural position and reducing strain. These changes can help you maintain good posture and keep your wrists comfortable all day. We hope these simple stretches and tips help you reduce wrist pain and make your typing sessions more comfortable. Remember, taking breaks, adjusting your posture, and practicing these exercises regularly can make a big difference in preventing discomfort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Share your thoughts or any questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Take care of your wrists, and we'll see you in the next video.